Welcome to a presentation of our latest and most advanced all-in-one web plus app product. During this video presentation you will learn about what does this product include, as in what do you receive with this product. You will become familiar with the key functions of individual product elements. You will learn what technology was used to create this project and how to apply it. You will see the presentation of the mobile application. You will see the presentation of the website. You will see the presentation of the mobile website. You will get to know the admin panel. You will see the product in action on real devices. By buying this product you get mobile application for the Android and iOS platforms with support for the latest versions of both systems. Website with support of all popular internet browsers available on the market. The mobile version of the website, which is fully responsive both horizontally and vertically. All these three solutions will help you create your own mobile application along with our responsive website in an easy and accessible way and without special skills at a very affordable price. In addition, you get our technical support rated 5 out of 5 stars by our customers, with free updates and source code with image files in PSD and TIFF formats. The product also contains step-by-step guide and video tutorials explaining quick installation. Now let's learn about the key functions of individual product elements. The mobile application is a solution supporting both Android and iOS. The application is equipped with push notifications integrated with the latest and official release of Google Firebase. However, you may also use external solutions such as OneSignal. The mobile application has support for both online and offline content. It can also store photographs and images. Each time a user visits given content, it is stored in a local database on the mobile device, thanks to which you have access to it even when you do not have a connection to the internet. The application also supports languages that can be changed. By default, the presentation uses English and Polish, but you can use any other language that requires specific characters. The application is integrated with the device's native maps, thanks to which your users can easily reach a specific destination. Social media is another element included in this product, and everything is managed through a single admin panel including the mobile application, internet and mobile websites. The website supports all the most popular web browsers and is available in both PC and Mac versions, as well as mobile devices. In the case of mobile devices, the website is fully responsive both horizontally and vertically. The key functionality is management from the CMS level, built-in language change option, where all translations are stored in one file. The website has full integration with social media, and all information is connected to the mobile application and mobile website. In the presented diagram you can see the principle of operation of the entire solution along with all the relations. Both the mobile application and the website are connected through your server, which cooperates with the database, while the entire content management is done through the admin panel. Keep in mind that the mobile application may also work offline. The mobile application for Android and iOS platforms was built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery in combination with the native functionality of the Adobe PhoneGap build and Cordova platform. The website for desktops and mobile devices uses PHP and the MySQL database in combination with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. In this live demo presentation, we can see the app's icon, which is fully customizable, as well as the splash screen image. The main app's interface consists of animated tiles. In the upper left corner, we also have a side menu that includes customizable language options. Currently, we have English and Polish. The About section contains app version, contact, and other information. Link to rate an app on the App Store, as well as ability to clear the offline data. The app is automatically saving visited content, so it could be accessed even without the internet connection. Now let's clear the offline data. The data has been removed successfully. We'll look into particular menu sections now. First, we'll visit About Us section. Text, images, audio can be added in this section. If we scroll down, we can see an example of a gallery section. Upon tapping on the image, users will be able to zoom in and see more details. In order to move back to the main screen, press the back arrow or the app logo. Now let's enter the news section. If we scroll down through the entries till we reach bottom, we'll see the See More button. Let's press it to load more items. If there are no more entries, the user will be notified about this fact. Now let's tap an item and see what it looks like inside. As you can see, an item may also incorporate gallery with the ability to zoom in on images. In the services category, if we tap the first item, we'll see an entry without a gallery. However, if we select a different item, we'll see an entry with images added at the bottom of the page. Work section might be used as a portfolio. Here, you may present your projects by adding the descriptions along with images. Gallery section, as the name suggests, is used only for image presentation. In the upper left corner of each entry, there's a number indicating the amount of images a particular entry contains. Add all the necessary contact information in the contact section. If you tap the phone number, you'll be able to immediately make a call. Here, you might add your social media as well as your website. For instance, here we have a YouTube page opened within the app. In the bottom, your users may message you with their contact form. The message then will be sent to your email address. All fields need to be filled in, or else the user will see an error message. Your users can also access native maps through which they'll be able to find the location you want to share. We may also search for a phrase if we tap the magnifying glass icon. Search error pops up if we leave the field empty. Let's now type a phrase and see its location in different categories. There's no entry in the gallery. Let's select one of the entries now. If back button is pressed, we'll move back to the search results. Now let's see what happens if we switch off the internet connection. As you can see, The articles and images are still displayed. Let's see more entries. Everything seems to be fine. Now let's visit one that hasn't been visited by us previously. The error is displayed because this entry hasn't been accessed before. Now let's move to the presentation of the website. The home web page design is quite similar to the app's home screen. We even have the animated tiles in the bottom. In the About Us section, you can write about yourself or your company. Audio, video, and image files may also be included. Images will be presented in the gallery, and there is no limitation to the number. News section contains the latest articles and information. An entry consists of titles, images, dates, descriptions, audio and video files, as well as gallery. The next section is services. Here, you tell your users what do you do. You may also add galleries in this section. The work section is the place to display your portfolio, your projects, achievements, goals, etc. Each entry needs to have a thumbnail, title, and description, as well as images of your projects. There's no limitation to the amount of images in one entry. Another section is gallery. Here, you can divide your images into separate categories. Contact section, as the name suggests, contains your contact information. Users may reach you through the contact form. There's also a map at the bottom of this web page. From the home page, we may also access latest news, advertise your mobile app to visitors. There's also place for the privacy policy. Obviously, the website supports any language. If we switch between languages, you can see everything is displayed in the appropriate language. All translations are in one file to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. In this section, we'll see a presentation of the mobile website that comes with the app. The mobile website is fully responsive both vertically as well as horizontally, and its design resembles the mobile app. What sets apart the mobile website from the app is support for more native functionality of the latter. Now let's go through all the sections from the animated menu and see what the mobile website looks like. In the admin panel, let's go to settings, password. Here's the place where we can set a new password. Under language, here we can change our languages to whatever we want to have. Main page slider, here we can add or edit existing page sliders. We can also change the sequence. To edit, press the green icon. To remove, press the red button. Now let's go to settings one more time. In this section we edit the animated web tiles, for instance about us. And here we can change the effect we want to have and the delay, of course the name, and go to contact form. Here the message title needs to be inserted, our email, web URL and phone number. Social media, here we can add all of our social media. Web logo, as the name suggests, here's the place of our logo that will go into our app and website. Now, a mobile website, here we need to insert links in regards to the map for Android and iOS. And here we have uplink section, again divided between Android and iOS. Under information we have services, so here we can add new entries or edit the old ones. Under services, for instance language, about us section, contact, our name, company information, everything we would want to share with our customers and users. Mobile app section, QR codes to share our application. Privacy policy section, and we also have search engine optimization, so you can add all the keywords you want for better position in the search engine. Now here we have the news section. You can add new entries or like this, and of course we have keywords full information, short information, date, title. We may as well edit some existing ones if we made a mistake or want to update some individual pieces of information. We also have images. Now the work section. Here we have all the entries for the work section. It's a very similar process. And our gallery. Just add a title to our category. We can delete, edit, switch on and off. And that's all for our admin panel. Now let's see a live demo of the app on real devices. And that's all for this presentation. We hope that you found the material informative. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for taking your time to watch our presentation.